What is the difference between a formal administration and a summary administration? Well, first, both of those are probate proceedings. And that's probably a four-letter word to most folks, and that they don't want to spend any money on lawyers or pay the government any money. A lot of that has been blown out of proportion, I think, over the years by the Reader's Digest, where they say that the government takes half the money and the lawyers take the other half, and it takes them 6 years to do it. In Florida, that is not the case. First, there's no estate taxes in Florida, and furthermore, the attorney fees can be negotiated. The statute suggests that an attorney fee for handling an estate is 3% of the assets that are being probated. And that usually has to do with a formal administration. Formal administration is when you have creditors and you file a notice to creditors and send it to the creditor and give them a period of time, which is 3 months from the date you first send out your notice or notice of the publication of creditors, and they can file their claims in the estate. And so that the personal representative will pay the claims, and then administration costs. There's no taxes unless your estate is in excess of $5 million, and then they distribute the balance of the money to the beneficiaries. There is a short form of administration called a summary administration, and that's available whenever the assets that are subject to probate are less than $75,000, and some provision has been made to pay any creditors, or there are no creditors involved. And usually this is done for a flat fee rather than based upon a percentage. And if there's homestead property and it's passing to the various children or heirs of the decedent, that's not counted toward the $75,000. And usually those fees run in the neighborhood of about $2,000 to $2,500 in attorney fees for a summary administration, plus the court costs. So formal administration will take probably 4 to 6 months, and here again the attorney fees will be in the neighborhood of 3% of the assets, with certain minimums of about $3,500 plus court costs. So if you need to have an estate probated, well, give us a call at 727-847-2288, and we'll be glad to discuss what the fees will be, how long it will take, and what assets are subject to administration. The big thing is to maybe do some planning ahead of time to avoid having to worry about probate. So here again, give us a call at 847-2288. Thank you.